Hey everybody, Russ here. Okay, so I am going to show you how I prepare the system that I'm about to put back on, which is that M104. I do have to do a little bit of maintenance. So I'm going to go do that. I'll come back and I will show you how I tape it and prepare it. And then I'll just drop in some pictures. I have a haircut tomorrow. I will be including some pictures outside, inside, so you get that full sun test that I am very, very confident on. It's going to look great. Okay, so what you're seeing me do here is cutting about an inch wide of tape and applying it around the perimeter of the system. I start at the temples and work my way back, following the curve as best I can. I will cut it and kind of lay it along the hairline and make any adjustments to the curve as I need to. I also apply the tape a tad away from the edge, because when you have your system on a little bit longer or it's really warm out, the tape will dissolve, the sweat will kind of dissolve it, and if you're not careful, it can get kind of gooey towards that end, and I try to keep it away from the hair as much as I can. I currently take off my system maybe every other week, maybe in the summer about once a week. So sometimes I apply the tape a little bit more liberally or not. So I'll apply as much tape as I need to hold me over. And I'm finishing around the tape, around the system to the front where you have that poly there. And that is about it. I'm going to let this play out. Hello. So with this video, I wanted to show the hair system on. Looks so good. I just cleaned it, washed it, put it on. It is exactly how I want it to be. It looks great. Granted, this is a little bit after having the hair system on, so the hair's faded a tad. As you can maybe kind of see, like the lighter brown versus the color that it normally comes looking like, but still the blending is really, really phenomenal. You saw this little lip right here. I did not finish gluing this part here, but I just wanted to show what it looks like on. I really like how the hairline follows a traditional receding hairline. So it looks great. I love it. I'm looking forward to the next one. I'm gonna take some of these videos outside so you can see a little bit. Okay, as you can see, the outside still allows it to blend really well. Hair system is holding up very well. It's been about maybe a month. The hair color is starting to fade just a tad. As you can see, it's a little different than my color that it would normally be. It has more of a browner hue, but still looks really, really good. I did do a temporary color once. Doesn't stay long, which is fine. I don't need it to, especially when you do permanent color. You can really stain the lace, and that's the last thing I wanted. I'm going to be getting another one. Cool.